Exercise question number 5.4. Question number 28. Integral x power m log of x whole power n dx is equal to x m plus 1 log of x whole power n upon m plus 1 minus n upon m plus 1 integral x power m log of x n minus 1 dx. Left hand side proof करनी है right hand side. So we will solution log इंटीग्रल x पावर m log of x n dx. फर्स्ट फंक्शन हम log of x को लेंगे, सेकंड फंक्शन x पावर m. So we will start log of x as it is फर्स्ट फंक्शन, सेकंड फंक्शन की डेरिवेशन इंटीग्रेशन m plus 1 upon m plus 1 माइनस इंटीग्रेंट x पावर m plus 1 upon m plus 1 dx. फर्स्ट फंक्शन की डिफ्रेंशिएशन पावर में से वन डिक्रीज, पावर का डेरिवेटिव वन, दिस इज कट बाय दिस एंड वी हैव इज इक्वल टू रिडक्शन फार्मूला फॉर x पावर m log of x whole power n dx. log of x whole power n x power m plus 1 upon m plus 1 minus integral n upon m plus 1 log of n minus 1 x power m dx is equal to log of x whole power n x power m plus 1 upon m plus 1 minus n upon m plus 1 integral x power m log of x n minus 1 dx, which is required formula. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proof इंटीग्रल. अब सेकेंड पार्ट इसको हमें n is equal to, this is reduction formula for x power m and log of x whole power n. N is replaced by n 3, n is replaced by 3 and m is equal to 3. We will take this reduction formula for this part. Second part, first part is equal to x m plus 1 upon log of x power n x power m plus 1 upon m plus 1 minus n upon n plus 1 x m plus 1 log of x, n is replaced by 3 and m plus 1 minus 3 upon m plus 1 integral x power m log of x whole power square n minus 1 2 minus 3 minus 1 2 dx. So we continue for reduction formula for log of x square and x power m log of x square. Now n is replaced by 2 and m is equal to m. By using for reduction formula we continue x power m plus 1 log of x and m plus 1 minus 2. n is replaced by 2 m plus 1 log integral x power m log x whole power 1 dx. अब अगेन से हम n is equal to 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. x पावर m log of x 1 dx is equal to log of x power m plus 1 log of x upon m plus 1 minus 1 upon m plus 1 whole power integral x m n minus 1 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So we have only x power dx. So now we have and x power में 1 add and power में 1 divide m plus 1 whole power square. Again for 3 continue सिमेट्री करेंगे is equal to x m plus 1 log of x whole power 3 upon m plus 1 minus 3 x power m plus 1 upon m plus 1 whole power square log of x whole square plus 6 m plus 1 log of x m plus 1 whole power cube minus 6 m plus 1 upon 6 m plus 1 whole power 4 is the answer of x power m integral x power n and log of x whole cube dx is integrand. The answer of this and the second part हमारा अपर एंड लोअर लिमिट गिवन है, फार्मूला वही है. वी विल टेक दिस पार्ट log of x and n x whole power n reduction formula we use for second part x power m plus 1 upon m plus 1 minus n upon m plus 1 integral x power m log of x whole power n minus 1 dx. So upper and lower limit we will use for this 0 and 1 per whole both in both cases 0 result 0 minus 0 So we have only the minus n upon m plus 1 and 0 upper limit and lower limit for xm log of x n minus 1 dx. We use this for this upper and lower limit and continue minus n upon m plus 1 0 1 m whole power log of x n minus 1 dx. So we will replace by using formula n minus n upon m plus 1 I m and n minus 1 decrease. We can write integral I and I n minus 1. So n minus 1 and integration m and n minus 1 is equal to minus n is replaced by n minus 1 upon m plus 1 and I is become n to n minus 1 minus 2. So on I is equal to m and n is equal to minus 2 and m plus 1 is equal to 1 is decrease. M we will replace n. So we have integrand n minus 1. So here 2 and 1 case. And we will replace n is equal to 1. We have n is equal to 0. And so for 0 m and 1 minus 1 m plus 1 dot m 1 upon m plus 1 and the upper limit and lower limit for integral 0 log of x 0 power 1 पर हम stop कर देंगे 1 minus 1 0 we have 0. So n minus 1 1 0 1 x power m continue x power m dx. So m power 1 and upper and lower limit 0 upon m plus 1 only 1 plus m plus 1 is equal to minus 1 and m plus 1 dot 1 upon m plus 1. Therefore I m n is symmetry from n to minus 1, so 1. So we will write n factorial and minus whole power n and m plus 1 whole power n is the answer of this question. Minus 1 power n we can write n factorial upon symmetry करेंगे n factorial n minus 1 so on to n 2 and 1 1. So n factorial is equal to 0 is also equal to 0 factorial is equal to 1. So m and this m plus 1 m plus 1 m plus 1 product है so n times है. So we can also write the m plus 1 whole power n is the answer of this given 0 1 x power m log of x power n dx is equal to minus 1 n factorial upon m plus 1 whole power n is the answer.